Welcome everyone. Here in this video our discussion point will be testing of a transformer. A wide variety of tests can be performed on a transformer, but here we will discuss the polarity test, open circuit test and short circuit test, and load test, that is also known as back-to-back test or Schaffner test. So now is polarity test, and this polarity test is done in a transformer. This is the importance of this polarity test is that during the parallel operation we should know the polarity of the transformer windings, and the polarity is, that means when at instant of time, if it is positive, suppose this terminal will have the positive and this terminal will have the negative for instant, and the same instant what is the polarity in this secondary winding, secondary terminal. That means if it is positive, and what is the polarity here and what is the polarity here, and these relative polarities of the primary and secondary terminal at any instant you must know during the parallel operation of the transformer. And also this polarity test, conception of this polarity test is useful for back-to-back test or this Schaffner test. Now, how we will identify whether these two terminals are in same polarity or not? So for this, we have the test that we can do here. Just here we will connect one voltmeter. This is the voltmeter, and this voltmeter will show us the voltage between these two terminals, and will make short these two terminals, this in this transformer. And if you give the supply here, say the supply is V1, the supply provided here in the primary side, then if this is positive and negative, and for considering the same, considering here same polarity means it will be positive and here it is negative, and induced EMF in this primary winding, if it is a E1 and if it is E2, so in this loop, and loop voltage will get, that is loop voltage that will get E1 minus E2, that means E1 minus E2. So the voltage over here will get, that is the subtractive between the winding voltage of primary and secondary. If it is negative, at the same instant if it is negative, then also we will get the subtractive polarity. So if we are getting the voltmeter reading E1 minus E2, that means the polarity between these two winding, polarity between the winding terminals are in same. If it is not, then say for example here we are giving the voltmeter reading, here we are providing a supply voltage V1, and again we are connecting a voltmeter over here. This is the voltmeter, will give us voltage and will make short this. And if polarity are not same, say this is positive and this one is the negative, at the same instant this winding polarity is negative and here it is positive. So induced EMF here it is E1, induced EMF here it is E2, so plus and then again plus, that means here we will get the additive polarity, means E1 plus E2. So when we will have the additive polarity, we will get E1 plus E2 voltage at the reading, voltmeter reading. So that means the polarity are not same. If at the instant this winding polarity is positive, at the same instant this winding polarity is negative. So by this way we can identify whether the winding terminals our primary and secondary are in same polarity or not.